Sana'y wala ng wakas. Kung pag-ibig ay wagas, paglalambing sa iyong piling ay ligaya kong walang kahambing. Kung di malimot ng tadhana, bigyang tuldok ang ating ligaya. Walang hanggan ay hahamakin, pagkat walang katapusan kitang iibig. Kahit na ilang tinik ay kaya kong tapakan, kung yan ang paraan upang landas mo'y masundan. Kahit ilang ulit ako yung saktan, hindi kita maaaring iwanan. Kahit ilang awit ay aking aawin, hanggang ang ibig ko'y maging himig na rin. Ang dagat ang dapat tawirin, higit pa riyan ang aking gagawin. Lamang pag-ibig ko, di lamang ang buhay ko ibibigay sa ngalan ng pag-ibig mo. Higit pa riyan aking mahal, alay ko. Higit pa riyan, higit pa riyan aking mahal, ang alay ko.
Thank you very much, Team Sharon. Napaluha ang coach ninyo sa inyong pag-awit ng kanyang awitin. Pero bago siya magdesisyon, pakinggan muna natin kung anong masasabi ni Coach Lea.
I think at some point, lahat kami have sung it at least once. Bamboo, have you sang this song? No?
I'm not. That's on my bucket
Sarah,
list.
gagawa pa ng English version. Sabihin lang natin, lahat ng mga babaeng coaches has sung this song at least once
Next week,
in
I will do
their
this.
lives. So, we know the song. One interpretation ended up much more simple. The other one was much more showy, more flashy. Parang I need to go back to your voices and I need to shut everything out and listen to the two of you sing. And for this battle round, I'm picking Alyssa.
Sige po. Coach Sarah.
Pipiliin ko tong artist na ito dahil siya yung talagang nakitaan ko na talagang fa-fight ako. Si Patricia. Yeah.
Alyssa and Patricia, excellent performance. And it's sa akin, it's pretty even, but I would say parang kasi vocally walang problema. It's about a gut thing. Ano yung pakiramdam when you heard this particular artist sing this song at this time, it just felt right for this particular singer. Okay? So ang pipiliin ko ay si Patricia. Okay.
Coach Sharon.
During rehearsal, syempre nakita ko yung development nila, yung growth nila. They were both pitch perfect. Ang gustong-gusto ko sa style ni Alyssa, yung simpleng-simpleng style, biglang may gulat. Kasi yung matataas na notes na iniisip mo, kaya ba niya yun? Kasi simple lang siya. Biglang aabutin niya effortlessly. Si Patricia is more of the biritera. Yung tinatawag nating biritera. Ang gusto ko lang kay Patricia, she didn't give me a Sarah or a Regine or an Angeline. She just gave me Patricia. Developed her own style somehow. Ang problema sa ganun lang, yung pag, syempre, you're battling na, in my opinion, anak, parang there was a line na na-miss mo. Kasi ang nangyayari, nagiging puro ad-libs, nagiging puro stylizing and all. Nawawala yung emosyon ng konti. Although pagpasok mo pa lang, damang-dama ko na yung kanta. I wish I didn't have to choose. Alyssa!
Congratulations, Alyssa. Pasok ka na sa next round and we will see you sa knockouts. You're still part of Team Sharon. Congratulations. Patricia is now up for steal. Coaches?
Biritero, wala ka pang
Patricia, may message
Ano,
ka kay
naisip
Coach
ko,
Sharon?
Gusto ko lang pong magpasalamat, Coach. Hindi po ako nagsisi na kayo po yung pinili kong coach.
Wala ka pang
Thank you
biritera.
very much. Thank you very much, Patricia.
Patricia, thank you.
It was very hard for Coach Sharon.
You deserve it. Good job, huh? Good job. You own that. Well done. You're welcome. Say thank you to your coach. You did a great job.
Congratulations, Patricia.
You're welcome.
Welcome to Kampawayan, Patricia!